Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia XR20 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video. So let's tap on it, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down and enter video resolutions. And as you can see, we've got those options divided into two. We've got the rear camera and the front camera, so here we can decide for which camera you'd like to change the resolution. Let me pick the rear camera, for example, and as you can see, we've got only two different options from which you can choose, and the only difference are the frames per second. So right now we've got the FHD option with 1080p with 30 frames per second, but we can change it to 60 frames per second just by tapping on it. And as you can see, it actually immediately changes. It is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change the video resolution in your Nokia XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.